15K per coil.
Woo! Per coil,
Yeah,
wow.
do over 60 like that.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Okay.
Really, everything shit all strewn out.
Yeah.
Getting ready to replace the solenoid and everything back here.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this the same vehicle the last few years?
Yes.
Wow, you got some good use out of this thing. Wow, okay.
Yep, some of the same original batteries from back then too.
Okay.
Just whole different setups in it.
Yes, sir.
Same, it's got the same wall in it. It's just been refaced and resized.
Yes, sir. Wow.
It's ugly, man.
It's all good.
It's my daily, remember that.
Yes, sir.
Ugly and dirty.
Daily driver. Wow. How many miles on this vehicle you got? If you knew.
275,000.
Wow. Still running it, all right. Awesome. Within harder. Boomer. Yep.
Start this thing up, make sure the voltage regulator comes on.
Yeah. So really only 2 subs. You used to have 6 15s in here, right?
Yeah, it's only 2.
Wow. And this port is not center.
No, because this port used to go all the way across with the 615s, remember? All we did was shrink the port, shrink one side of the box.
Got it.
Like I said, it's 10 cubic foot inside the box still, and 280 square inches of port.
Yeah. Are you ever going in there and kind of shrunk it even more?
Nah. I ain't that worried about it.
Yes, sir. Got it. All right, man.
It's my daily. It beats down the block when I'm driving.
That's right.
So
yes, sir. Let's get over a little. You good?
We'll see how long it'll play.
Yes, sir.
Probably won't play. It only
You're
played
good.
about 15 seconds last time.
I have a couple questions for you.
Yes.
So, first one, of course, is what made you go to just 2, or is it trial?
It's been 2 for a couple years.
Okay.
We wanted to promote back when you know, I've been running Pride since 2019 now, since the Sundown show.
Yes, sir.
And it had the 6 SV315s in it back then. You remember that video?
Yes.
It was the first one in the country.
Yes.
And we wanted to promote the bit high-end sub, so we went with 2. We took that out, refaced it, shrunk the box in the port a little bit. It's still 10 cubic foot in there though. It's really big for 215s.
Yeah.
But when we put the 2 UFO5s in it, I've been running them on all kinds of different amps over the last couple of years. And we're getting ready to pull these out actually, and we're going to switch up to the new M45 series 15s.
Okay.
And we're going to put a build in here, a 6th order build in here with 4 or 6 of those.
Okay. So same cabin, or are you going to work on the cabin?
No, we're going to, the whole thing's getting gutted this time.
Got it.
This is built to be a flat wall. I'm not going to mess with it.
Yeah.
Just gut it, take it out.
Got it. Have you done any kind of SPL just to toy with on this since you put it?
We did a 58 at the last show.
Wow. Okay.
But
And what's the most power you ever put on these subs, just to see how
on these
much
subs,
potential?
15K per coil.
Woo! Per coil.
Yeah,
Wow.
do over 60 like that.
So what is the model on this one?
It's a UFO5 15.
Okay. Do you have any pictures of it or the motor?
Not
I'll look it up online.
Yeah.
Yep. UFO.
Yeah,
Okay.
UFO5 15 V2.
Wow.
The V3s are out this year.
Yeah.
They're even more efficient than these, which is just crazy.
Yeah.
Sam Skinner's running those.
Okay.
He's down south a little bit.
Yes, sir.
We'll try to get this thing to play something here for a few seconds.
Okay. How much battery bank?
Right now it's got like, I think 195 amp hour of the LTOs, my SCIB and my original 3.5 amp hour
Yes, sir.
nano cells,
Yeah.
and 370 amp alternators.
Yeah.
That's why it's disappointing my voltage is dropping, because the regulator keeps dropping out on me.
Yeah. Yes,
It's
sir.
got more voltage than needed for
Yeah.
what it's doing today. But
Oh yeah. So is it, when you had everything right, were you able to demo fine for a while? Just not turn it all the way up, of course.
it demo all day.
It does, yeah.
Yeah. That's all I've been doing.
How's your voltage dropping going down? Like 2 or 3 volts drop, or is it just a little bit?
Oh, it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
It's it drops so fast, the amp don't like it.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, you don't want to have any of those.
They're finicky tar amps.
Yeah.
So
This is some big XMAX on these subs, like 40 millimeters or something.
43.
43.
One way,
Wow, man.
Yeah, they're nowhere near full potential.
And it's crazy you can actually bolt down so many spots. Most of them only have an 8.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bolted in. It's a 6-layer baffle on here at
Yes,
this
sir.
point. So
Yes, sir.
let's see how long it'll play.
Okay. Yeah. So is it, when you had everything right, were you able to demo fine for a while? Just not turn it all the way up, of course?
It demo all day.
It does, yeah.
That's all I've been doing.
How's your voltage dropping going down? Like 2 or 3 volts drop, or is it just a little bit?
Oh, it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. It drops so fast, the amp don't like it.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, you don't want to have any of those. Thank you very much. What's your name? Dale. I know. I remember Dale. Yeah. I always ask for the video. Is there a way I can see under the hood just to see the beauty of the amp?
Man,
I know.
Ugly.
But there's 3 alternators down there, so it is a lot of power.
That's my daily. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
Exactly,
Daily driver. All right, Dale. Have a good day.
Man.
Very good job.
Have a great day.
Yes, sir. You too.